I want to go across now to newbie Member of Parliament from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh. Kangana Ranaut now joins us live and exclusive. Kangana ji, this was your first election. You won. How are you feeling after now being a queen in Parliament? You'll be coming as a first-time MP, Kangana ji.
Namaste, Rahul ji. I am elated to be Modi ji Sena, to be honest. For me, the leadership and the one who's leading us matters the most, because we will be following him and we will be following his vision, and eventually when you are a part of a party, there is no question of being a queen or anything. You are part of the, so far I've led a very individualistic life, but being in this environment, I understand you're as good as your party. So I am very much ready and willing to be a part of this humongous party which has more than 17 crore members across the country.
थोड़े हमारे दर्शकों को बताएं कि बॉलीवुड में एक्टिंग करना और पॉलिटिक्स में लोगों से मिलना, because I heard where you said कि बॉलीवुड में लोग हमें बचा के रखते फैन से, लोगों से, यहाँ तो सब लोगों के बीच में ही डाल दिया जाता है. How was that difference? How was that experience for you, Kangana ji?
It's something very new for me to be a part of this kind of a social, sort of a, हमें जो जन कल्याण, जन सेवा या इस तरह से नेशन बिल्डिंग या ये सब चीजें हमारे लिए स्क्रिप्ट हुआ करती थी या कुछ डायलॉग हुआ करते थे, लेकिन उनका साक्षात हो जाना और उसका मुझे एक हिस्सा, इतना बड़ा दायित्व, अगर हमारी फिल्म हिट या फ्लॉप हो तो उससे क्या ही किसी को नुकसान होगा, हमें एक पर्सनल ही लॉस होता है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वालों को. लेकिन यहाँ पर जो है मेरा दायित्व पूरे क्षेत्र को लेकर है और यहाँ की जनता, यहाँ का लोग, उनका भविष्य, तो चीजें डेफिनेटली बहुत सीरियस हो जाती हैं एक लेवल पर. दे आर नॉट फ्रिवलेस एनीमोर.
कंगना जी, कई बार बॉलीवुड स्टार्स पे आरोप लगता है कि वो एमपी बन तो जाते हैं लेकिन फिर अपनी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी ज्यादा नहीं जाते. यू हैव अ बॉलीवुड करियर एज वेल. हाउ विल यू रिकंसाइल दीज टू प्रायोरिटीज, आपकी एक्टिंग और अब लोगों के साथ एमपी बनकर रहना? हाउ विल यू रिकंसाइल दीज?
देखिए, जैसे जैसे इंसान की ग्रोथ होती है, कई रोल्स उनकी लाइफ में आते हैं. खैर, मैंने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में रहते हुए भी बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिविज्म हमेशा किया हुआ है, लोगों को बहुत अवेयर किया है. एंड आई वोंट साउंड वेरी मॉडेस्ट, लेकिन मैंने जो है सिंगल हैंडेडली जो एक रेवोल्यूशन, जो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का, थ्रू क्वीन, थ्रू वुमेन लेड सिनेमा, थ्रू मणिकर्णिका, तलाईवी, ये मैंने ये टॉक जो है वहाँ शुरू की. तो खैर, मैं जो हूँ, आई एम इन दैट फ्रेम mind where I am willing, and as much engagement I am given by the people and the party, I will take up those roles. मुझे ना राहुल जी, I am going to the DC office.
हाँ, आप जाइए, आप अपना सर्टिफिकेट लीजिए. I am very thankful that you could take out some time. We'll do a more detailed conversation later. All the best and congratulations.
Thank you.
All the best and congratulations. Gaurav, quite delighted clearly to become a member of parliament and to win in Himachal. She had a tough fight. 4,53,000 for Vikramaditya Singh, Veerbhadra's son, and 5,27,000 for Kangana Ranaut. By Himachal standards, a tough battle this.
And in fact, in between it was almost touch and go. There were many who argued that while the BJP may be able to take 3 or 4, the BJP may not be as strong in Mandi, but Kangana Ranaut had responded to this by saying in her Manikarnika avatar she had fought against all odds and that she would fight and she would win, and ultimately she did. The party, of course, backed her to the hilt. She's won. She also reportedly said, Rahul, that she's going to focus now on Mandi more than her acting. So, Mandi will be a priority and not her acting. We will, of course, wait and watch. But Himachal Pradesh, good news as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. They've got 4 on 4. Haryana, as Dipinder Hooda told you, Rahul, Haryana, good news for the Congress Party. Overall, the Congress has gained big as far as their earlier position and their current position was concerned. The Congress leading in about 94, they won 4, so 98, not yet touching that 100 mark. The Congress at 98. 232 is where the India Alliance is. The BJP at 244. The NDA Alliance at 293. So we'll also take you to the BJP headquarters because they're already celebrating there. They're saying this is Modi 3.0. The NDA will form the government. But how will NDA 3.0 be different from the earlier 2 avatars with not having majority on their own accord.